Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fantastic topic to discuss: how to achieve naturally pink lips right in the comfort of your own home. Are you ready to say goodbye to dull lips and hello to rosy pink ones? Let's get started. Number 1, hydration. First and foremost, hydration is key to healthy lips. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your lips moisturized from within. Hydrated lips are naturally more vibrant. Number 2, exfoliation. Let's talk about exfoliation. You'll need a simple DIY lip scrub. Mix some sugar with a bit of honey to create a gentle exfoliating paste. Gently rub it on your lips to remove dead skin cells, revealing fresher, pinker lips. Number 3, natural lip balm. Now let's moisturize. Apply a natural lip balm with ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, or almond oil. This will keep your lips soft and supple. Number 4, Beetroot Lip Balm. For a temporary rosy tint, try this Beetroot Lip Balm. Take some beetroot juice or blend a small piece of beetroot with honey. Apply it to your lips for that natural pink color. Number 5, pomegranate lip stain. Want a natural lip stain? Crush some pomegranate seeds and apply the juice to your lips. Leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse for a subtle pink tint. Number 6, lip protection. Lastly, always protect your lips from the sun. Use a lip balm with SPF when heading outdoors. UV damage can darken your lips, so this is an essential step. And there you have it, our top tips for achieving naturally pink lips at home. Remember, consistency is key, and results may vary from person to person. So, keep up with these practices, and you'll be on your way to pink, healthy lips in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips. Thanks for watching.